The Royal Rumble match is here, and just look at the first two superstars in the ring. Both extremely determined to go all the way in this one.
But we all know, Cole, that is far easier said than done. They're not just going to have to deal with each other in this one. There are a bunch of just as hungry superstars who have yet to come out here looking to be the last one standing as well.
All it takes is 1 second to eliminate someone over the top rope, guys. 1 second of luck, good or bad.
Let's be honest, this would be extremely tough to go the distance from here.
It's time for Andrade. Could this be his night? Oh, Andrade counters.
What a display here. Counters on both sides.
Took him out at the knee.
Head over heels with the Frankensteiner. By their very nature, Rumbles are incredibly chaotic, which means that staying vigilant is essential.
Yeah, you need to constantly watch your back, or someone's going to send you flying over the ropes before you can even react.
Boy, how many times have we seen that happen?
Grabs their opponent by the ankles into a powerbomb.
He's so strong, creates space. He's able to reverse it.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg. Here we go, number 5.
And he saw that coming from Montez. And that might have shook Andrade to his foundation.
An excellent display of Ray's fighting spirit.
Here we go, Xavier Woods headed to the ring to join this Royal Rumble. Tossing them aside.
Lariat.
Boom! Big blow could be felt throughout the arena.
Elimination attempt underway, using everything to stay in this one.
But is it enough? This will be number 6.
And now CM Punk ready to pull out all the stops. Hard into the corner.
Man, did you see the whiplash off the turnbuckles?
He's looking banged up here, guys. Counters.
Going for the elimination.
Xavier Woods has been eliminated.
We're up to 7 already?
Last second knee to the face there.
Shoulder tackle.
It'll be Jacob Fatu prepared to make his presence felt.
Oh, good gravy. Thrown into the corner with a little something extra.
And Jacob with the wherewithal to counter.
Talk about force. That'll give you whiplash. We're about to see number 8 right now. Fantastic. That'll light up your chest.
Ooh, clothesline delivered.
And 2020 Rumble winner Drew McIntyre joins the fray.
Ooh, merciless looking blow.
And he turned it around.
Who could entrant number 9 be? Flipped it and reversed it with the inverted DDT.
Caught with a lariat. Here comes Ilya Dragunov at the end of the fray. Here in this Royal Rumble.
Oh, what a kick.
And that's something that will slow down Breaker.
Yeah, as McIntyre was putting that warrior spirit into effect with that.
Nice suplex.
Whipped into the corner with tremendous force.
Oh, man.
Number 10. He gets back into the ring.
Drew McIntyre has been eliminated.
And we've got Shawn Spears adding to the turmoil in this Royal Rumble.
Ilya Dragunov has been eliminated.
Belly to back Suplex imminent. Oh, clothesline. Here comes the workhorse, guys. History tells us they will spend the most time in there, only to come up short for their efforts.
Tommy was quite ready to get this Rumble going. Time to go for a ride. Oh, what a kick. Super kick. No. Hammerlock. DDT. I think that just opened him up. Yep, certainly did. Goodness, look at the blood flowing. Who will be at number 12? I never saw that coming. Has been eliminated. This Rumble keeps getting better. Rage Harlan joins the action. Oh, right to the chest. Nothing fancy here. Backbreaker. Look at this. Are we about to see an elimination? Desperately trying to avoid getting dumped out of the ring. Lucky 13. Looking to take the legs out. Out next is the winner of back-to-back Royal Rumbles, Cody Rhodes, and retaliates with a counter. And scattered it mentally to back up.
Up across the shoulders.
And there's another focused attack to his head. Powerbomb! Uh-oh, up top.
Their opponent driven down with the doorbuster.
Already he's taking on some damage.
Cody taking no opportunity for granted. Who could number 4?
Up across the shoulders.
This one keeps getting more interesting as Berto joins the action.
Knee right on target.
Placed into the corner here.
Oh, I think the ring just moved. Unbelievable standing Spanish fly.
Man, there's still so many superstars to go as we get set for number 15.
Goodness, blasted right into the corner. Running Hurricanrana.
Beautiful. Shaking things up in this Rumble with Eric entering the ring.
Oh, man.
Ooh, what a nasty kick.
Around the world and back again. Beautiful takedown by Mysterio.
Fighting to get this elimination.
This is how you spoil someone's night. Who will entrance 16 be? Ooh.
Hey guys, this Rumble just changed. The Nigerian giant, Omos, joins the fray.
Longer they can go.
Man, I can't wait to see who number 17's gonna
happening on the ropes.
Berto with the retaliation.
Incoming. Take a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Guys, it's entry number 20. Starting to fill up in there.
Mysterio fending that off. Oh, wait. Are we about to see an elimination? Battling to stay alive.
Superhuman power from the Nigerian giant.
Choke slam. Tossed it across the ring. Attack to the midsection. Alley-oop. Teetering dangerously close to going over the ropes.
Scratch, claw, grab anything to fight off elimination.
And that turns things around.
And now it's number 21.
It's crunch time. And guys, Carl Anderson can really change the complexion of this record.
Kick right to the gut.
Powerbomb position. The right hands create separation.
Rollins about to head to the pay window. The WWE Universe showing the love for these superstars who have given them so much tonight.
Popped up. Whoa, change of plans. German suplex.
He's in a bit of agony now.
When you last in a Rumble this long, there's no way you're at 100%.
Suplex. Running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
And that stops whatever Ethan had intended.
Dishing out a suplex.
And meanwhile, Sikoa.
Looking for a belly-to-back suplex into the neck breaker. Beautiful.
Who's next to enter the Rumble?
The capacity crowd's counting down.
From the top.
And here comes the winner of the 2000 Royal Rumble, The Rock.
From the top.
Plenty of position here. Driving face first.
Puts their opponent's legs in.
And he's seeing stars right about now.
Either stars or he's seeing double.
Here we go with entry 23.
Elbow right to the
Taking flight.
wheels are turning in Eric's head.
Belly-to-back suplex. Oh, slam position. This could cause the elimination, and it does.
Ethan Page has been eliminated.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done. Vicious, downright savage glove right there. Just come flush. Fighting to stave off elimination, has to stay in the ring.
Close fist connects.
Ooh, double axe handle. Number 24 has a good chance of winning this, guys.
It looks like Damian Priest is making his way into the Royal Rumble. That was definitely an attempt to take off some of the Rock's shine there. Boom. 2015 Royal Rumble, Roman Reigns. Right hands will do it. Oh! That was taking the attack to the competition with that one. Could be moments away from being sent over the top rope. Then we see Reigns. If you're a betting man like me, this is the way to put your money.
This is bad. Eric is bleeding.
Now Cedric Alexander is making his way into the Royal Rumble. DDT! Planted.
Eric has been eliminated.
Suplex. Reigns hangs on.
Has been eliminated.
Another one.
A third.
He's hurled out and crashes
Cedric
down to the
Alexander has
floor.
been
And
eliminated.
Rey Mysterio connected nicely right there. We've got entrant number 28 on the way.
Talk about luck of the draw.
Clinging to the ropes, desperate to stay alive here.
And Austin Theory is the newest superstar to enter this Royal Rumble. Wow,
Rey Mysterio
okay.
has been eliminated.
What reflexes to stop Sikoa? Jumping neckbreaker. Ouch. Bully number 29.
Whoever it is has a huge advantage. What a headbutt. Oh, man. Thrown with such force. The whole ring is rattling.
And Tony D'Angelo ready to make an impact in this Rumble. Crucial counter there.
It's disrespectful.
Take him. If you keep it track, we should know who this is. The luckiest person in the match. Strong impact. D'Angelo one step ahead. George the Animal Steel, the next combatant into this Royal Rumble.
Roman Reigns has been eliminated.
Oh, look at this. A release belly to belly. Launched with a belly to belly.
Fast thinking saved him there.
Ah, look at this. Just cranking it out. Oh, they're not going to fight the hand. Oh, my God, they are.
This maniac's out of control.
Oof, pounding the breadbasket. They are feeding off the WWE fans, now pinning the arm down
And a series of vicious stomps.
up high.
Great trouble here. Can he get it fully locked in?
Hammer lock applied.
Being trapped in this hole. Able to on the top.
Snap power slam. Kick from behind. Ouch.
Oh, with authority.
Oh, man.
a face-off here. Both competitors know they may be one move away from winning the Royal Rumble. Pump kick on target. Oh, that hurt to the spine. Kick in the spot. Oh, stop right to the hand. He's already feeling the effects.
To stomp in every single part of his body. I don't think Steele's aware of the danger that's coming. Big boot to the gut, the clubbing forearm.
In theory, is keeping the match at his pace.
Can Steele recover from this adversity?
Oh, he had that scouted.
And Steele isn't looking helpless anymore.
This might be the moment he was waiting for. His comeback could start here.
Shoulder tackle.
Oof. Ooh. Austin Theory.
TKO.
And he goes crashing to...
He got it! He got it! He won the Royal Rumble!
Here is your winner, Austin Theory.
Evading elimination, outlasting every other superstar, and now they are guaranteed a main event title shot at WrestleMania. Your Royal